In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an HTML email signature to Outlook. Here I am in Outlook and I'm already logged into my account. I also have my HTML email signature right here. So this is just a simple signature. I just have the name, a sample position of the person here, and then a sample company, and then we have the sample phone number here. So if you have a more complex HTML email signature, you can also follow the steps that I will be doing in this video. If you want to see the code for this HTML email signature, I can right click on this and then click inspect. And then we have the code right here at the side. Or I also have the code right here. I can open it using the notepad. And then we can see the code for the HTML signature appear. So I can just close this and go back. And then now we can proceed to add this to Outlook. So let's go back to Outlook. And from here, we just need to go to File, click on Settings, go to Account, and then go to Signatures. From here, you will see the list of signatures that I already have or you already have in your account. And from there, you can go ahead and create a new signature by just clicking on Add Signature here. From there, we can add the signature name, so I'll just put the HTML signature here and then copy the HTML signature. We just need to select all elements from it. So you can simply use the keyboard shortcut control and then the A key, and from here you can either right click and then click copy, or you can just use the keyboard shortcut control and then the C key. From there, go back to Outlook, and then right here in the body of the signature, you can just paste the HTML signature there. And as you can see, we have the same format, so it didn't change anything. It just kept all the format of the HTML signature intact. You could also make some changes if you want. Like if you want to add more content right here to the signature, or if you want to change the color and so on, you could do it all in those appearing settings. And then once you're done, you can just click save. And if you want to edit the signature again, you can just go right here and then click the edit button, which is this pencil. And you can go ahead and edit the signature and click save. Then I'm just going to click cancel since I didn't make any changes. From here, you could set the default signature for creating new messages and replies. So let's choose the HTML signature. Click save. So now when we create a new email, we now have that signature automatically added. And you can also just add it manually. For example, I can remove the default signature here, click save, click new mail, go to the body of the email, go to the insert tab in the ribbon, click on signature, and then click HTML signature. So now we have our HTML signature right here in our Outlook email, and then you can proceed to add the content of your email there. Then you can send it to your recipient, and then you can add a subject just like you normally would, and all while your HTML signature will be present at the bottom of that email. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.